If you truly want to succeed in sublimation, then what you need to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. We'll keep you up to date with everything that there is going on in sublimation, new products and new techniques. Let's see what's next. I think you'll agree that this is one of the cutest little things you've ever seen. A hooded towel. I'm not going to put it on because it's not intended for me, and it's much better on a little baby. So I'm going to show you how to do a nice little design on the top of this towel. So cute. It is a little bit creased, so what I'm going to do, I'll flatten it out, rest it there so it doesn't drag down. Flatten it out, using a bit of baking paper over the top. I'm just going to give that a little iron. That's not to heat it up specifically, but just to give me a nice flat surface to print on. This design is right in the middle of the page, and it's going to fit nicely in the middle of that hood. But in order to get it positioned correctly, what I've done is I've measured it out and figured that it will get to about this point on the bottom seam. So I'm going to place that in the centre, running along the seam. I'm just going to check, because you can see the design through the paper. Maybe just move it over just a fraction. The way it's nice and centred. Now, what we're going to do with that, we've set the machine to 180 degrees in 60 seconds. Using light pressure, apply the heat to the transfer. Now I'm just going to hold that and lower that down. Press the button that starts the timer counting down, and we apply light pressure for 60 seconds. Press the button, stop it from beeping. I'm just grabbing the corner. Last time I got caught out and I was crossing over with the cord, so I'm just going to grab this corner with my fingertip and hold the transfer in place. What that allows me to do is check that I've applied the transfer and peel it away. That's so cute. Love it. And there you have it. So quick. In real time, 60 seconds is all it takes to get a cute little print like that on the hooded towel using the mini vacuum press and the bottom element. It's just great. You need to get one.